Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. This font is not the exact font that I picked, but it's got a white, kind of a white border around it. And if you look, it's up at the top and then thicker at the bottom. So here's the one I created. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick that font. It is a little over 3 inches. I'm going to change my nudge factor to 4. And I'm going to make a duplicate of that, hitting the plus key and move it over. Now this one, I'm going to left click, right click in red. It's already red because I contour right now in black. I'm going to go to effects and contour, and I'm going to contour into the inside with rounded corners one time at 0.005. It just gives a little bit of a contour. It's taking just a second. And then if you look, it's just barely on there. We could actually go maybe a little bit less, but we're going to go with that. So then go up to object and break the contour part. If you will grab the inside of the letter, it should get the inside, and I nudged it back over. Now, all we have to do is change that from black to white and get that, and then we could go. Now, here's something to learn. The smallest part is a hairline, then the next point is 5 point, but that's too big. Don't forget, you can type in anything you want. We'll go 0.05, and it made it just a little bit thicker. Let's go a little bit thicker, 0.09. Now, if you remember the line was more to the top, let's set our nudge factor on 0.001, and we'll select that line again, and you can see I've got that line. And then I'm just going to nudge it up and kind of put that line like in the font. It almost gives it kind of a 3D look. And I'm still not 100% sure that he even wants that, but I thought it'd be a pretty cool video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.